people. This is Jackie from I Do Look Beauty. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you just tune in, you're most welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. Any suggestion is warmly welcome. And if you've subscribed, thanks so much for joining this team. And I know we'll all grow together. When I bought this hair, I wanted to do a braid on my hair. But I sat down and I realized that no, when I braid this hair, it will not take much longer as I'm expecting. And when I remove it, I will not know what to do again. Why don't I make a wake up? Which when I remove, I'm going out, I wear it. When I come back, I remove it. So anytime I feel like wearing this hair, it will be available. Instead of wearing it on my hair, fixing it on my head, and I'll remove it and I'll have to throw it away. So this is, I'll say, classy look. You can send this hair to any occasion, to weddings, workplace, meetings, seminars, everywhere. So please buy the hair. Learn this. Practice it. And yours will also look beautiful like mine. Because we are all learning together, please tell a friend to tell a friend that they should watch I Do Look Beauty. They should subscribe and share so that we can all grow together. So when we get to the front, you see that the net was heavy because I put the smooth one under it. I made it 2 nets because I realized that when I make it 1 net, when it comes to the front, it wouldn't be possible for me to sew the front net on it. So I have to add another net. That will make the wig, like the net, heavier. So that's why I added. But initially, I used only 1 net. That is the one the hole is in. But after it, I realized that I have to add another one. So that's why you see it like it's heavy now. I'm able to sew the net on it. So please join me and let's do it together. I'm sewing the nets on it. If I were to use a straight, like the pin that I used to fix the hair, it would have been much easier. But I used the curved one. That's why I was finding a little bit difficult using this. But I have to use it. This one was available at that moment. So that's why I'm using it. Have to use left and right. It's all part of the job. So if you are doing and you are going through the same, it's normal. It's normal. Don't say, oh, I can't do it and why am I? No. It's normal. Okay? Let's practice it. Learn it. And you see that you can even make money out of it. Make a business out of it. Because you are getting to Christmas and people will be fixing their hair. People would want to order for a wake up. Start practicing now. You can help them. You can make business out of it. So when it gets to that part where I'm doing, you have to secure it. Otherwise it will tear when you are fixing the other side. So just secure the knots very well and cut the excess. Yes, I have to cut the excess, otherwise it will look white and bulky at that side. So I continued from that side. Because I've not gotten right to where the net is, I was still using this crochet pin. But when I start using, like fixing it inside the net, you will see that I will change the pin. Because when you use this pin, you can tear or spoil the net, and at the end, the hair will not look so beautiful as expected. I turn the other way, so that when you are fixing it, the knot come to that side. It raises the hair for it to be very beautiful. If you are an extent, thanks so much, as I said, because you subscribing, I'm able to come all the time to teach you how to do hair. It gives me the motivation to always bring out something new to you. So continue watching, and also invite your friends and families to also come. You all learn things together. You grow this channel together, and you'll be one of the best. So if you want some of this hair, well, I didn't order it on Amazon or whatever. I went to my local beauty supply, my store near me, and I bought the hair from there. So when you get the picture, or you can screenshot it, then you will buy it from your local beauty store. You see that I changed the crochet pin, yes, because I've gotten to the middle of the net. I don't want to spoil the net, so I have to use the small one. And when you are using the small one too, you have to take a small portion of the hair, not that big like how I was using at the back. You have to use a small portion of the hair so that you can use the crochet pin. Because when you use a big section of the hair with a small crochet pin, you can remove the crochet pin, or you can spoil it. I spoil one, I have to buy another one, because I didn't know that when I'm using this crochet pin, I have to take a small portion of the hair. Yes, I spoiled one, so I have to buy another one. So please don't go through what I went through. Just follow what I'm saying, and you'll be happy after. I do look beauty. It's not been long since we came, but I have some couple of tutorials that I have. I will leave the link on the description below, or you can go to street search Ideal Beauty. It will pop up. All the channels or all the tutorials I have is there. You can check the other one out, like how to do a twist or a wet curls, or change afro wig into a rasta or a braid, and also other ones like using like a kanekalon braid hair to make a wet curls. Yes, I have that one. So when you go to Ideal Beauty, you search, you see those ones there. Please watch them and like, and also comment, and you'll be amazed of how you will learn a lot and practice them and make money out of it this Christmas. the front, please take time, okay? Don't be using a big hole for this because you are in a hurry to fill it. No, just do it little by little. Because it's frontal, everybody watches your face and your front. Please do it little. Take time and make it nice. It will look beautiful. People will think that you fixed your hair, but it's a wig. You can send it to all occasions. So after doing this hair and you send it to the workplace, my dear, where you look classy, you will never believe it. So please, my policy is, if you learn this, practice it. Practice and you'll be very good at it. I'm a self-learning person. I didn't go to a salon or a cosmetology school to learn all these hairs. I learned it in the house myself. And see, I'm doing it. So my dear, you can do it too, trust me. When you put your mind into something, just continue. Just practice it. Make sure that you are doing what you love best. And hard work pays. Yes, hard work pays. You do it for a long time and it will start yielding. It's like growing a seed. By the time you realize you are harvesting it, and you are harvesting it bountifully. So, you see, please learn. Listen, I'm taking my time to do that side so that every place will be full. Every place will be full. I'm still not done yet. I'm now done with it. So at least there should be a part in the middle. At that side wasn't that straight, so I have to add the hair. Yes, I have to add. I'll add another one too. So you see, after all that, you see that everything is straight and it's beautiful. This is the raw hair. After fixing it, this is the raw hair. So I'm done. Have to comb it and see how it is. The inches is 26 inch. Oh, I've never worn a 26 inch hair before. I love everything simple, but I wanted to try something new. Yes, so I have to go and buy it and try it and see if it will look good on me. So after doing this, and I wear my suit and I go to the workplace with this hair, my dear. I'm imagining how I will look in it. So you have to put it in hot water. You boil water, yes, and put the hair inside. You leave it for 15 minutes. Then you remove it. When you remove it, make sure the water is drained out. Then you start combing it. Don't comb it hard, because by the time you finish combing the hair, all the hairs, everything will be out. You will be surprised. But have you seen? You do it little by little so that the hair will be straight. With the hot water, I did not add anything in it, as I usually do with the shampoo and the shea butter. This time around, I did not add anything. It's just the hot water. So that's what I did. Still combing it. You can either dry it under a sun or you use a fan. Well, I use my ceiling fan to dry it. So I put it on a high speed, then I started combing it. So while the fan is blowing it, then I'm also combing it so it will look dry. Now I'm removing the net from that side because I was fixing the hair. Most of them got stuck in that side. I have to braid in addition to the net and everything when I was fixing the front, the net. Yes. So I have to cut. I have to take time. Otherwise, when I'm in a hurry to cut, maybe I will cut the lace, the front lace, which I don't want to. So I took time to remove that black or the wig cap from that side. See, I'm done. Ta-da! So I'm still combing. It wasn't that dry, so I have to continue combing the hair. You see, it now looks softer than initial how it looks like. At first, when you comb it, you cannot even comb it. So how do I look? I'm dancing there. See my back. I can't wait to send it to work. That's me, Jackie. You look classy. You can also anyhow you wear it, you slay in this hair. Okay, so thanks so much. Mwah.
Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please, if you just tuned in, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so anytime I upload a video, you'll be notified. Thanks so much. I do look number one. Bye.